Welcome to Cardboard, a brand dedicated to global communication. Wherever you are in the world, Cardboard radios offer you real-time communication with no distance limitations. Our radios support seamless switching between one-to-one, group, and team calls, with call priority settings to ensure critical information is delivered first. GPS-enabled radios can be managed in real time through a computer dispatch system, allowing you to track the location and status of every device, ensuring efficient team coordination. Our radios not only support 4G networks for stable signals but also feature high-definition audio, ensuring clear and reliable communication every time. Whether it's transportation team, emergency rescue, outdoor adventures, or construction work, Cardboard radios can handle any challenge, providing reliable communication support. We also provide an exclusive high-speed IoT SIM card, ensuring uninterrupted communication. Our customer service team is always ready to support you, ensuring your experience is worry-free and fully satisfying. Cardboard, connecting the world, communicating the future.